When I saw this parcel, I immediately know what it was. I took it, sprinted it to my studio and ripped open the packaging and made sure it came from Kigali, which is the base where Maraphone S is. I'm genuinely very excited as this is a phone that I've been wanting to review for quite a while now, and now I finally got the chance and here it is. Right off the gate, you can tell that there's a lot of packaging in this parcel. It seems like protection of the device is one of the top priorities of Mara, which is a very good gesture as I've never seen this much protective packaging on a phone, especially at the $60 price mark. Yes, you heard that right. This phone is $60 and yet nothing about the box or packaging tells me that this is a phone under 200 or even 300 bucks. As you can tell right now, this box really looks very premium. I mean, you can compare it with the Galaxy S10's box, which I'll just take it right now, and just look at it. It doesn't look too much different except for the phone on the front, a photo of it, and it looks pretty much the same, to be honest. Without further ado, let's crack the box open and talk about the price on the way. So this phone comes in at $59 US dollars, and this is the discounted rate. At a normal rate, you have to pay $89 for it, but right now there's a discount and it's only $59, and for $59 I'm more than impressed. So get the phone now while you still can get it at $59. So this box comes with a sleeve, and upon removing the sleeve, the box is revealed and it feels very premium. Like, actually, you have to feel it for yourself to believe it. And removing the lid was quite satisfying. It's even better than maybe some of the Apple ones, cause now they don't have the chargers. And we have the phone revealed right on top in a synthetic plastic bag, which I obviously don't like, but phones at these price points always come in this kind of presentation. And about the box, this feels very premium. Like, I'm not even joking right now. You feel all these small little subtle details that make you feel like you're a valued customer. There's a small little box which upon opening it comes with number 1, the battery. This is quite a small one, but it should be okay. There's also an instruction manual with colors inside. This is very rare to see nowadays. It's normally just a quick start guide just to get you going. And the last thing, you have a plastic screen protector. Although it's not tempered glass, but at least you still get it. I mean, it's a nice little touch. You will also find a clear case inside. Also inside the box, you have last 2 boxes. One of it is a larger one, which will be opening it right now, and it seems like to be a charger with a cable. And yes, the first one is a power brick. It's a 5-watt power brick, no fast charging, but at least it feels very solid. And the last thing you get in this box is, of course, the charging cable. Is micro USB, and it feels quite nice. I mean, it has those matte textured finishes. And in this small little box, we do get a headset. It's not premium, but the presentation seems premium, I guess. I'm sure this headphone is not going to sound good, but you can always use your own headphones as this has a headphone jack. Now time to take out the battery. I'm using a pen knife, but I don't recommend it as once you poke the battery, it might be kinda dangerous and unsafe to use. And as you can tell, this is a 1850 mAh battery. Since we got the battery in, now it's time for the fun part. Now let's power it on. Do note that this is not the full review, and the full review will be dropping in a week as I don't have enough time with this phone yet. So do subscribe if you don't want to miss that out. My first impressions are this phone really lives up to what I thought it is. It feels very sturdy and it feels kind of premium even if it's a plastic bag. It feels sturdy in the hand and is comfortable to grip. I chose the gold color options. There are 2 other color options available on their website, and they are red and as well as black. I chose the gold color as I think it looks the best, but everyone has their own color preferences, and I'm sure the black and red color looks good too. My concerns about a poor camera was eased when I saw the results. While this is not the most impressive, this phone managed to cope with the dynamic range as well as the harsh lighting. The speakers on this phone is the best I've heard under $100. I will need more time to test out the speed and capability of this phone, but as of now, day-to-day tasks run smoothly with no problems at all, with minimal lag, and everything works well with Android 10 Go Edition. I'm not too sure about battery life, but after leaving it for 3 days on standby, my battery drained from 64 to 53. As of right now, I'm truly amazed by this phone, packing in so many good things at a low price. I'll be testing this phone out for another 2 to 3 days and let all of you know about it. That video will be out in a week. Stay subscribed so you'll not miss that out. And with that being said, thanks for watching and I'll catch you guys in the next one.